Hello and welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. I wasn't able to record a intro this morning. It was a little windy. It was a nice 80 degrees, had a little bit of wind. Had some mic noise on my phone because I forgot my microphone at home. So I wasn't able to do a very proper intro. Got to do it again. I feel like I got to give you all the best intro possible that I can do. Then we're going to fly over the Village of LaGrange. We're going to fly over the Village of Lakeview. We're also going to fly over the Village of Long Prairie. I am going to leave timestamps down below in the description. So if you want to go straight to LaGrange or Lakeview or Long Prairie, you can go straight to there and watch those parts of the village that you want to see. Welcome to the Village of LaGrange. As you can see here, we're starting at the bottom of LaGrange and we are going to go north. We have all seen LaGrange before. You can see that it is almost built out. There are two sections that need to be built in the Village of LaGrange and it should be done. Everybody knows that there's construction going on and knows what roads to stay away from. Or hopefully they do. There's a lot of people that are moving in. I just want to say hi to all the new LaGrange people. As you see at the top of the screen, that is which way we are facing. You can see we are in the southern part of LaGrange here, and you're able to see Eastport is also surrounded by the Championship Golf Course. The Woodlands Championship Golf Course, that is. This is one of the entrances to LaGrange here that we're flying over. You can see the villas that need to be built. They are the wood built patio villas. And there is another section of villas that need to be completed. They're concrete. They're just a little bit closer to Eastport. So you know they'll be just a little bit more expensive. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you. All the area on the other side of Bexley Trail that needs to be built out on. You need to start working on that Championship Golf Course up there by the Turnpike. As soon as they start working on that golf course, I will start videoing it so you can see how soon you'll be able to play on a championship golf course. Maybe next year when the snowbirds return. Alright, we're going to continue to do the orbit, more of a spiral. So as we're seeing the houses from the outside, we're going to move closer to the center so you can see those houses in the middle a little more clearer. See they have some little ponds here in the middle of LaGrange. That'll help with the watering of the grass. And you also can see the concrete villas and the wood built villas section neighborhood just a little bit clearer.
There's something in the wind tonight, some kind of change in the weather. Somewhere some devils mixing fire and ice together. I got a feeling that the
As we're coming around, you can see that the sky is partly cloudy. The sun is out, but there are some clouds. It is a nice and wonderful day here in the village. Like I said, it was in the low 80s. It was kind of windy, but it was such a great day outside. So I hope everybody enjoyed the weekend outside.
Lately, every night above the declaration.
I was kind of shocked at how few of the workers were actually out here working this weekend. Usually there are quite a few more workers out here on the weekend, but it is a Saturday. And there's not that there's not that many workers working out here in the southern part of LaGrange.
Spell and all the golden threads are frail as spider webs surround.
You can see Eastport again, the Eastport Hotel. We are going to fly over the sandy area over there behind the LaGrange Postal Center and check it out. Look at the villas down here. They're working on them diligently. This is the verandas down here in the corner of LaGrange. And you know all these villas on the water are going to be in the lottery. This lottery is the only one you can get into that when you win, you pay. You don't win any money, you have to pay money.
Magic.
Getting a veranda here on the lake would be very nice. Look at all the pools on the verandas. They're building these verandas very efficiently and they go up really nice. Like I said, these are on the northwest corner of Central Lake, and the ones down here on Marsh Bend Trail, there are 3 of them with pools. Look at all the houses being built down here in the corner. One thing I have noticed about the difference that the developer has started doing is the walls between the houses. There used to be a solid wall, and that would tell you if it was a veranda neighborhood, a patio villa neighborhood, a cottage villa neighborhood. But now they're building solid walls for houses with premier homes, designer homes. So it's kind of hard to see what kind of neighborhood is going to be there when you see a solid built wall. I thought this would be a different style of flying these 2 streets here. Look at all the houses being built down through here. You see there's a lot of houses going up down through here. And they're going to have LaGrange built out fairly efficiently and swiftly. We're going to fly up here around the corner. And we're going to fly over to the Blanchard Rec Center and check it out. It's pretty neat. We haven't went down in elevation, but it sure looks like it. That pan and zoom. Check it out. Like I said, with these walls here, these could be designer or premier homes. Depends on whatever the developer is going to build in this area. But usually, like I said, the solid walls meant it was going to be verandas or going to be a cottage home area. Here we are at the LaGrange Postal Center. We're going to fly down LaGrange Loop, check out the houses that are being built on Central Lake. And you see these walls down through here, how they have openings for the utilities. That's not always a sign that it's going to be a designer or premier home. There's the verandas in the corner again. We're going to spin around, check out Sack Rider Path here, and everybody likes the Sack Rider Path. This is the Village of LaGrange. It is walking distance to Eastport. That is going to be awesome. Check out Loden Court here. The food trucks have been moved. But check out that wall there, how solid it is. And there will be designer and premier homes on that wall. Okay, here we are behind the Postal Center. The trucks are bringing in more fill sand to raise up the ground, raise the elevation up. And to me, I think what they're doing over here with the raising of the elevation of the ground is also like they did in Water's Edge, that in that corner that's higher up. So I think it's going to be mirrored to that section over there. I still don't know what kind of houses are going to be built in this area, but you can see that they are bringing in more fill sand and raising the elevation of the ground. And I do believe there's going to be a wall built around this part of this neighborhood. Alright, here we are at the Village of Lakeview. We're going to fly across here. You can see that they have not started on any of the houses or premier houses or designer houses in this neighborhood. But over here in the corner where they have the patio villas, check them out. Last time there was only like 4 or 5 houses that were built. Now look at all the houses under roof. They got what, 6 or 8 under with walls. They have more foundations down there. These patio villas will be built really soon, and I do believe these will go quickly because of the location, so close to Eastport. Also, if you try to get into Lakeview, the Village of Lakeview, the entrance near Eastport has been blocked off with the K-rail. So you're not going to be going in that way unless you're walking. And you see the Lakeview Postal Center. This is what Village of Long Prairie. That is the Mustang Recreation Center. You can see they are building that very efficiently. And it does look like that will be open at the same time Blanchard's going to be open up. They're going to open up Mustang right after Blanchard opens up. They are building it very, very swiftly, very efficiently. Alright, let's leave this area and check out the lots that could be for sale, that could be built on. So if you're looking to build in the Village of Long Prairie, I do want you to know that I do home build photos and videos. So if you want to give me a call or an email, I will leave that here on the screen. It is $350. I do go out every day, Monday through Friday, weather permitting. And if I don't have a home design meeting, but I will go out and take your photos of your house Monday through Friday and I will make a 4K video on the weekend and email them to you nightly. The price for Long Prairie is $350.
Everyone, we have faith and we have fun. God bless the turn wheel.
Look at the grass down there. That's kind of odd. We're going to come up here to the walking path. We're going to turn west. We are flying way over the power lines. I don't have to worry about them. You can see the Village of Water's Edge up there on the other side of Bexley Trail. Nice place to park a semi-trailer. Check out the golf courses. They seem to be pretty nice, and there have been a lot of players down here playing this golf course, even though it is a heck of a ride to get to the starter shack. You have these two executive golf courses here. Both of them are 9 holes. Look how nice the golf course is. It's in really decent shape. We've had some good rain here recently. You can see the ponds are, I'd say, full. They can take some more water, but they are not. But the ponds are not low. This is the Village of Long Prairie. I do know a lot of these houses have gone up for sale. I know some of these these lots have gone up for sale. And if you're unable to see your house being built, I can send you photos nightly, every day, Monday through Friday. Like I was thinking, for the price of getting new tires, because if you going out there and checking out your lot being built, because there's a lot of nails, a lot of screws out there on the road, and if you get a flat tire or a couple flat tires, it's a lot cheaper for me to go out there and take photos of your lot. Trust me, I got quite a few nails in my tires, but I only drive around here in the villages, so I don't drive very fast. But if you get a nail in your tire and you go get it worked on and you want to go see your grandkids, you know you're going to have to get new tires because you're going to be driving 80 miles an hour on them tires. It would be cheaper for me to go out there and take photos of your house and you see them every night in your living room than going out and buying new tires. Here we are up at the Bexley Trail again, looking at Shady Brook up there. Alright, this is the cell tower on the south side of Shady Brook. You can see they have the foundations built, but no tower yet. Thank you for watching my dad's video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yay! And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of his videos. Watch my dad's videos. Watch my dad's videos. Thank you.